Welcome back again to our channel, the Chima Dedicated Video channel. This Oree Solar investment. I'm sharing with you a video on how to make withdrawal from this system. You know that before you make withdrawals, you're supposed to have first of all make registration, then make some deposits and choose your investment package and invest. Then when you invest, every day you're earning. If you have up to 1,000 naira, you can now make withdrawal. So I want to show you exactly how you make your withdrawal from this system. If you're new to our channel, please, we encourage you to subscribe and follow us through, because we're going to be seeing videos like this often and on how to make money online. A lot of money making opportunities and other tutorial videos that will interest you. Now let's move on. So this is my back office on this site. If you look at the buttons down here, you're going to see home, investment, my team, and then menu. Click on menu. When you click on the menu button, the menu page, let's see what is going to come up right now. It's coming up. Now, you will see, look at my balance here. Now you're going to see withdraw. Click on withdraw. Remember, we're talking about how to make withdrawals. Now, what you are seeing here, before I click on this withdraw, now you see that my account details are already set up. If you are making withdrawal for the first time, this is the first thing. Let me just go back. You have to make sure you have already set up your account details. How do you do it? Go to where you have your, if you click on withdrawal record, no. If you go to your home, you're going to see how to set up your wallet setup. It is in that place you are going to be able to set it up, put all your account details. So then when you now go into withdrawal, the system will not, you don't need to start putting it. So that's it. And I've set up my own. Make sure you set it up before you go for it. Now let's go back to withdrawal. And at this point, the whole thing is there. So what I'm going to do now is to put in a money. If you want to withdraw, make sure you have at least 1,000 naira. Now, I just want to put a withdrawal of, let's say 3K. I have 5K there. But let me put 3,000 naira. It's very simple. It's not a difficult one. Okay, this is 3K. 3,000 naira. It's okay. Now I click on withdraw now. Having done this now, you might be saying, I didn't see anything. Did it work? Yes. Go and check balance. The balance, if it didn't work, your balance will show you that it didn't work. But look at it. Out of the 5,000 plus, 3 is off. So that is what is remaining because the withdrawal has taken place. And you can also check it by going to your withdrawal record. You go to your withdrawal record to see your withdrawal. Look at it now. You see processing. This one, when I was using this ones to do some things, to kind of example. That's why it said rejected. So this is processing. When the processing is done, it will be sent to your whatever, your wallet or your bank account that you already supplied. This is the simplest way to, make withdrawal from Oree Solar. Remember, if you want to join this system, you're going to see the link to join. Let's build a team together. The system has been on for over 2 weeks now. So join, make your deposit. You can start with as little as 4,000 naira and choose a package, make a deposit, and then start earning daily. If you have up to 1K, you can make withdrawal, and that's how the system works. If you are good at referring others, please do, and let your friends share in this opportunity. I'm going to stop at this point. If you have more questions, please contact me on my contact you're going to see in this video description, and let's talk business. I thank you for watching. God bless you.